Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. It's Amanis here, and as you can see right here, uh someone asked if Seed Sui wallet connection is mandatory, and Seed said yes, you need it to receive your token, airdrop token, of course. So in this video I'll be teaching you guys how to actually connect your Sui wallet to your Seed successfully. Firstly, you go to your Play Store or Apple App Store and look for Sui Wallet. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, of course, if you find this video very helpful. You download the Sui Wallet, this particular one right here, as you can see. So once you download it, you wait for it to load up. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe. So you open it. Once you open, you wait a little and then copy your seed phrase or use your private key to actually log into the wallet. For me personally, I prefer using my private key because it's quite easy. Instead of typing out this long seed phrase to log in, basically I prefer using my private key. So this is taking a while right here to open. So alright, so it has finally opened. Go to more options. Once you click on more options, import private key. That's basically I'll be using my private key, so I'll upload it right there. So as you can see, welcome to Sui, and I've logged into my account. As you can see, this is my wallet, and I don't have any Sui currently in this wallet. So I'm going to copy this link right here, playseedgo.com/dashboard, playseedgo.com/dashboard. So you go back to the Sui wallet, and then is okay, so you go to apps and then go to this search or enter URL. So you click on it and paste the URL. So basically I'll be teaching two methods. This method is the simpler one. So once you paste the URL, you wait for a minute for it to load up. The other Mrs. Browser or Mrs. Browser method is a bit complicated, but if you want to use that one, well, still good for you. So basically you click on this Telegram link, and then you click on Telegram, you select Telegram, the account that you want to use, and then you click on start, verify, and login. They will show you login successfully. Okay, as you can say, you have successfully authorized on Seed side. Of course, you go back right there. So once you go back, as you can see, this is my account. I'll click on connect Sui wallet. Connect Sui wallet. So once I click on it, it's going to take me, it's going to load up, and I'll select Sui wallet. I will connect simply, and then I will click on connect again right here because this is the wallet that I want to connect to it. So I will click on confirm. Once I click on confirm, they said you cannot change, of course, so just be sure to use the correct wallet, and then I'll sign in. Okay, so let me just pause to sign in. Okay, so I've successfully linked my wallet. As you can see right here, it's showing successfully linked. So yo, that's great. So please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, of course, if you find this video helpful. And just give me a little bit of time. I'll be showing the second method of actually doing this thing. You can also join our WhatsApp community, like I said. So okay, so that's it. So here is the second method of doing this. As you can see, this is my Mises browser, and in this method you need to download your Sui wallet extension. So basically what you have to do is search for Chrome, I don't know. Okay, so you search for Chrome Web Store, you go to Chrome Web Store and search for Sui wallet right here. So once you click on Sui wallet, you add it up. After adding Sui wallet up, it's okay. As you can see, this particular one, Sui wallet, after adding it up, this page will show just like the one in previous one. You go to this place, that place shows extensions basically, so you can see Sui wallet. You click on the Sui wallet, just like the app version. You click on more options. Once you click on more options, you can import your private key, import your passphrase or your ledger, whichever method that you choose to log in with. So I'm going to be using my private key basically. So as you can see, it's just like the normal app version. So as you can see, I've successfully logged in. Now I'm going to click on connect Sui wallet. So connect Sui wallet right now, I'll click on it, and then it will be connecting to the Sui extension. This one, it's a little bit lagging and all that, so that's the reason why I did the other one first, because it's more easier to understand and easier to do. So If that method, if this doesn't automatically open, you click on this thing right here at the top. Okay, so it's hanging, still hanging, of course. All right, so once it finally opens, or if it doesn't open, you click on that arrowhead right there at the top corner, top right corner, next to the cancel sign. Once you click on it, of course it's supposed to open. It's supposed to open. So once you click on it, this page will actually appear, and you click on connect. Once you click on connect, I think you'll be required to actually enter a code or something like that, but I don't know. It's taking me back to play Seed Go, so I don't know why it's like that. So it took me back to play Seed Go, and the wallet is still not connected, so I'm trying to still connect it again. So that's the reason why I said the first method is much more easier and understandable than the second method. This is very difficult. It's a very difficult process. So as you can see, it's already connected but not linked. So I'm trying to link it now. So to link it now, I have to enter the password that I actually used to create the wallet. So okay, it's taking a lot of time, honestly. I don't know why. I honestly don't know why. So I would, okay, so after clicking on that place again, I click on connect. I don't know, it's still taking me back to this place. I don't know. So as you can see now, they are showing links to a wallet. So I'll click on links to a wallet, confirm again, and try to see if this will work. If it doesn't work, please just kindly go back and use the first method. I think that's far more better than this. So still loading up, and as you can see, it's just loading up. Please guys, I think I will just stop it here because I just keep on trying and this is just coming back. Thanks for watching this video, and of course don't forget to subscribe to the channel.